Hi everyone, welcome to our class. My name is Liang Yuanyuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our topic is hobbies. This one is very important in interpersonal communication and was very useful. Anyway, let's start our course today. So first of all, let's get familiar with these two characters. This one we have seen this before. So first of all, we should get familiar with these two new characters. First, this one we have learned it before. I, which means love, and how here means like, the same as this one. So this is I how. Hobbies. And then this is play video game, Minecraft, okay? 玩电子游戏. 玩 means play. 电子 here means electronic. And video game, we have this 电子游戏. And 游戏 means game. Read after me. 玩电子游戏. Then read books. 看书. 看 first turn. 看 read. 看书 书 means book. We have learned this many times, okay? 看书 看书. Then this is travel. 旅游 旅游 旅游. This one, third tone. 旅游旅游旅游. And then music. 音乐音乐音乐. And this is divided into two parts. First, I like to make music and I like to listen to music. So, I like to make music is 我喜欢做音乐. 做 means make. 我喜欢做音乐. So, 做音乐 means make music. And 听音乐 listen to music. 听音乐听音乐. And then photography. 摄影摄影摄影摄 first turn. 影 third turn. 摄影. And then doing workout. 健身健身. Because 健身 itself is a verb, so you don't need to add a verb here. 健身健身健 means like working out, and 身 means your body. 健身. And then this is history. I like history. 历史历史历史历 first turn. 历史 third turn. 史历史. And then politics. 政治base first turn. 政治政治政治. And then painting. Both first tone. 画画. This one, 画 means paint, and this one means picture. So 画画 means painting. 画画. And then we have writing, which is 写作写作写作. 写 third turn. 作 fourth turn. 写作写作写作. And the last one, like DIY or crafting. 做手工做手工. 做 here is a verb, doing something. 做手工 手 means hands. 工 craft. So 做手工 做手工. And then we need some expression to share that what do you like, what do you love, and what's your hobby. First, I like. 我喜欢. We have learned this before. 我喜欢. 我喜欢. So what about I like play video game? 我喜欢玩电子游戏。And I like read book. 我喜欢看书。I like travel. 我喜欢旅游。我喜欢旅游。And then I love. 我爱。我爱。I means love. 我 we have learned. I, right? 我爱。我爱。So, I love music. 我爱音乐。我爱摄影。我爱健身。And then, 我的爱好是 my hobby is 爱好。We have learned hobby. 爱好. It can be hobbies and 是 can be are, both okay. 我的爱好是做手工和写作。My hobbies are crafting and writing. 我的爱好是做手工和写作。我的爱好是做手工和写作。So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new expression and new characters. So if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and don't forget to check the homework. Bye.